In this video, I will be disassembling this 2016 Chevy Camaro Xenon headlight. Here's the access cover for the Xenon bulb. To remove the bulb, you need to press in this clip and remove the connector. With the connector removed, twist the bulb to the left and pull it out. There are 4 T20 screws holding on the LED control module. There are 2 connectors that must be unclipped from the LED control module. The lens is cracked and every mount on this light is already broken. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. I will begin by removing the T20 torque screws holding on the front bezel. There's 1 T10 torque screw on the rear of the light that holds the bezel in place. There are 5 T20 torque screws on the front and the 1 T10 torque screw on the rear. Next, I'll remove the 3 T20 torque screws holding in the turn signal reflector. Next, I'll remove the daytime running light bar. There are 4 T10 torque screws holding on the LED PCBs. There are 3 T20 screws holding on this inner projector mount. The outer projector mount will simply slide off. The bottom projector mount can be popped off. Finally, you can pull off the wire harness connector for the Bi-Xenon solenoid. There are 2 clips holding on the ballast connector. Next, I will twist the wire harness connector to the left to unlock it. The wire harness is free. The headlight housing is now empty. There are 4 T20 screws holding on the front lens holder. Here's the LED PCBs for the daytime running light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.